Good morning. My name is Annabelle and welcome back to my vlog channel. Or my channel. I've been doing more vlogs, but it's not a specific vlog channel. Anyway, welcome back. And today we are going to be doing a self-care day. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm going to do here at the house. I have a community meeting to go to in a couple hours. But today is going to be about rest, relaxation, and self-maintenance. Y'all ready to get started? Alright, so I have a community meeting that I'm going to. This is a local meeting with a bunch of people in our town. It's not through the government, it's through a local organization. Not going to go into too much detail on that because don't want everyone to know where I live. But we're getting ready for that. Chloe, after deciding to roll around in the dirt with Rhea, Chloe got much more dirty than Rhea did, so Chloe had to be brushed and washed down with some washcloth, with some doggy wet wipes. So, we don't have too much time before we're gonna head out, but we do have a little bit, so we're just gonna enjoy ourselves, get some stuff set up for later today. And I am so looking forward to a nice, chill day of maintenance and taking care of myself and just feeling so much more me. Alright, Cleminator, let's get you dressed. Ooh, looks good. Can you show off your vest? So I just wanted to show off these patches on her black vest. Medical alert, do not distract. I am her personal healthcare companion. Service dog, if handler is down, do not separate. Do not call 911 unless injured. Give us space. Distract me, you will not. This particular patch has come in handy so many freaking times, I cannot tell you. This particular patch, so many times I have been sitting there having a seizure. People will walk up, read the patch, and go, "Oh, okay. If you need something, let me know. Alright, so we are going to head out to go do our community meeting. When we get back, we are going to just take really nice, good care of ourselves, film a couple of videos for our mini-vids channel. Well, my mini-vids channel. I don't share that with the dogs. But I'm going to film a couple of stuff for my mini-vids channel. Just going to relax. I'm going to see if I can find the nail grinder for the dogs, because Chloe loves getting her nails done. But she doesn't really like when I use the clippers because of the seizures. She's worried that I'm going to have a seizure during it. I had a seizure once, and I didn't even cut it. I just had a seizure right before I was about to, and I pulled it away. And after that, she just puts her paw on the nail clippers and goes, no, no, no. Just kind of stares up at me like, we're done. And because she loves getting her nails done so much, when she tells me she's done, I do not push it with Chloe. When she's done with it, she's done with it. Rhea, on the other hand, I will continue to try to get her nails done. But, that being said, we are going to get ready to go, and we will see y'all when we get back. Chlominator, come here, please. Oh, baby! Alright, so we are home. I just got Chloe off duty, and I am going to get ready to take a nice, cozy bubble bath, do a little bit of grooming, and then after that I will take a shower and do a good deep clean on my hair, which I don't like to do that in the bath. Alright, so I'm about to get in the tub. I'm going to do this lavender mud mask for my face and mermaid bath bomb. While I am in the tub, I'll be filming for mini-vids. Alright, so I got me some snacks. I'm going to put on some true crime and do a little bit of video editing to clear up some space on my camera. And yeah, so let's get started on that. Alright, now that I got that done, I am going to do my nails. Alright, so after a bit of video editing, I had to go back and edit some more because my camera was full. So I went ahead and edited what I had already filmed for this vlog. And then I'm going to go ahead and start on dinner. I have some chicken that I'm going to cook in some sauce, so I'm excited for that. Let's get started, shall we? So our food is ready to go. We have some chicken with some sauce and some rice all cooked together. Now it is time to get the dog's food together. There we go. Rhea, did you have a question for me? You want to go ask your question? Yeah, I can take you outside. Good girl. Hi, Chloe. Hey, Rhea, come here. Yeah. Alright, so me and the girls have stepped outside to the yard. We are just kind of enjoying ourselves with some garden time, what we call garden time. And we're just having a fun little time out in the yard, relaxing. Rhea's on her long line because Rhea cannot be trusted not to run over to say hi to the neighbor dog. Chloe is off leash, although I am keeping an eye on her since neighbor just came and cut the grass. And she is allergic to grass. So we're keeping an eye on her to make sure she doesn't go rolling in too much grass. Which is why I can't be mad at her for deciding to roll in the dirt this morning for roughhousing, because it's like the grass was long. And I'm sure she just didn't want to get itchy. She knows she's allergic to grass. Oh, Rhea's running. God damn it! Alright, so I got... Chloe runs to the camera. I got Rhea. She ran off to go say hi to the neighbor dog. And then just waits for me to come back. Chloe just stood up on the porch the entire time and waited for us to get back. Alright, let's bring these girls in. Chloe, come on, let's go inside. Come on. Get in the house, please. Thank you. So, here is where we are at with the cane. This is the cane for my wedding. So we're doing a Disney theme, and my outfit's gonna be based off of Belle from Beauty and the Beast. So we're doing the gold cane. This is about 4 hours of work. God, this is taking forever, but it is so relaxing. I am enjoying doing it so freaking much. It is just meditative. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna make this like more of a hobby, doing canes. Because like I want canes to go with my outfits better. And things like that. So customizing my own is gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner cleaned up, and this is where we're gonna end the vlog. I have a great day today. I feel so relaxed and rejuvenated and so pretty. Even though my nail polish is already peeling, I'm not very good at nail polish, which is why I typically do press-ons. But this is where we're gonna end the vlog for today. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.